Hello, today I would like to introduce NUVIA's education kit, which is a set of detectors intended for schools and universities with students which want to learn the basics about radiation detection and dosimetry. Its purpose is to introduce students to the detection of different types of radiation. This education kit consists of standard NUVIATech instruments products for nuclear industry and research. It gives students a unique opportunity to become familiar with detectors used in real applications. Since it is all in one case solution, you can find all necessary equipment inside the case. You can set up to 7 detector configurations for gamma, alpha, beta, and neutron measurement. So now let's see what is inside the case. For gamma measurement, there are 2 scintillators, plastic and sodium iodide crystal. Sodium iodide scintillator is for more than 60 years still one of the most used inorganic scintillators everywhere where spectroscopic measurement is required. Here you can see the example of environmental survey using NUVIA drone's G system. The second one is plastic scintillator, which can be produced in larger volumes, and for its performance it is widely used, for example, in portal monitors or in applications where spectrometry is not necessary. Next detector here is alpha radiation detector. This one is quite small detector based on thin layer of zinc sulfide activated by silver. This kind of detectors can be used in applications where pure alpha emitters are present, for example, uranium mines. Next one is beta scintillator. It has the same appearance like this alpha detector, but can be easily distinguished by label on detectors which shows which detector is currently used. This detector is made by very thin 0.5 scintillation foil, and these detectors are used, for example, for measurement of beta radiation in water. Third one is this sandwich detector for both beta and alpha radiation measurement. The active volume here is made by thin plastic scintillator sprayed by zinc sulfide activated by silver. This is very small detector. Usually the active area in real application is a little bit larger. These kind of detectors are very widely used in alpha-beta contamination monitors. The last detector here is neutron detector, which looks a little bit different compared to other detectors. This detector is based on mixture of zinc sulfide activated by silver and lithium-6 fluoride. Lithium-6 nuclide is very sensitive for thermal neutrons. And that is also the reason why there is this polyethylene moderator. This moderator is here to show how important it is to moderate or to slow down the neutrons during the measurement to improve the detection efficiency in this measurement arrangement. These detectors are also used in portal monitors, or for example, very interesting is the measurement of snow level in mountains, because snow contains hydrogen, which is also very efficient moderator. The more snow, the more hydrogen, and the more interactions inside the detector. All of these detectors are products of NUVIA, as well as these analyzers. Here is NUVIA MCB multi-channel analyzer for gamma spectroscopy measurement, and as the option here, there is also NUVIA SCA for channel counter, which is used in counting applications where spectroscopy is not necessary. Photomultiplier is very important part of the kit. It is universal, so all of these detectors can be connected to this photomultiplier, as well as both analyzers. The analyzer can be connected very easily in this way. Next part here is a set of shielding for measurement of attenuation length of gamma radiation. Each material has several slides of different thicknesses. Here we have, for example, lead, and the rest of materials aluminum, copper, and iron. Each material has different density, and therefore each of them has different attenuation length. The last thing I want to show you is holder for the equipment. It contains holder for radioactive sources, holder for shielding, which is used in this way. Last thing is a holder for detectors. As you can see, it can be turned around, which allows to measure the angular dependency of the detector, which is also very nice exercise. Here we have the RES cables, power supply, optical grease for optical connection, ethanol for cleaning the detectors, and the last thing here is documentation. There is also training book with exercises. This book will guide you how to use all of this equipment inside the case properly, and theory will help you to understand what is behind. I would like to show you today the setup for very first exercise in this book, which is the properties of gamma spectra. For this task, we will need sodium iodide crystal, photomultiplier, multi-channel analyzer with cable, and optical grease. Firstly, you need to couple scintillator to photomultiplier by using optical grease. So remove black cap, which is covering photocathode, and then apply slight amount of optical grease to photocathode. And be sure that both surfaces are clean in order to ensure proper contact. Then apply black foam and screw the black cap back. So now we have it like a probe. Here we have scintillator, photomultiplier, and we can tighten the probe in holder. Then connect multi-channel analyzer. The connection of analyzer to computer is very simple by USB cable. And then power supply. And the last thing is radioactive source. In this case, we will use cable 60 source. It is very weak source, just to show spectrum for data measurement, evaluation and storage is GAMWIN spectroscopy software used. This software is also a product of NUVIA, and a license for this software is also a part of this education kit. So now I will call the detector, apply high voltage to detector and start measurement. And immediately after start of measurement you can see two peaks of cobalt 60 in spectrum, and you can start studying the theory of properties gamma spectra. So that's all from my side. If you are interested more in our products, please visit our webpage NUVIATechinstruments.com, and thank you for watching.